So Antarctica is, being a continent which is of nearly size of nearly 5 times of Indian subcontinent, which is covered more than 99% of ice, and that ice is as thick as 5 kilometers in some places. As the globe is warming, and there is also a large amount of ice is being lost to the ocean. This becomes first iceberg, and then they start contributing to the sea level increase. And this sea level is slowly carving away many of our cities and the coastal cities and towns. And that's only one part of the story. The second thing is actually that as the more warming is taking place, actually it's also changing our climate system.
कॉमन मैन की तो लाइफ से जुड़ी हुई है ना. अब अगर ये ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाए और सारे जितने भी एंटार्क्टिका वगैरह में जो हिम है ये अगर मेल्ट हो गया, दुनिया की क्या हालत होगी. अभी आप देखो एक के बाद एक कितने तूफान आ रहे हैं. रेनफॉल पैटर्न हैज़ चेंज. You get fewer hours of rain but much more intense. Cloud bursts बहुत हो रहा है. So we are getting affected totally. All due to this climate change and global warming.